Have you ever wondered, are we alone in the universe? As we gaze into the vast expanse of stars, we're compelled to ponder on the existence of extraterrestrial life. Beyond our earthly realm, in the infinite cosmos, could there be other intelligent beings? Scientists across the globe are tirelessly searching for signs of life beyond Earth, probing distant planets and deciphering cosmic signals. The question isn't just about finding alien life, but understanding what that means for us. Now imagine the implications if we are not alone. What if extraterrestrials have already visited us and have had an influence on world events? This mind-boggling question has fueled countless debates, theories, and speculations. Let's dive into a few that have captured our collective imaginations. One theory suggests that advanced extraterrestrial civilizations had a hand in the construction of ancient monuments like the pyramids of Giza or the Stonehenge. These structures, with their astronomical precision and architectural sophistication, are said to exhibit knowledge beyond the grasp of the civilizations of the time. Could extraterrestrials have shared their advanced knowledge with our ancestors? Moving forward to more recent times, some theorists propose that aliens have subtly influenced the outcomes of wars and political movements. Stories of unidentified flying objects observed during critical military operations abound. Were these mere coincidences or signs of extraterrestrial intervention? And then there are the claims of alien abduction. Individuals across the globe recount extraordinarily similar experiences of being taken by otherworldly beings, often describing advanced technology and complex information imparted to them. Are these shared narratives a result of cultural influence, or do they hint at a more profound extraterrestrial connection? Each of these theories, as incredible as they may seem, raises the possibility of a cosmic influence on our world's trajectory. They challenge the perception of our place in the universe and invite us to consider the unknown. Imagine the impact on our history if these theories hold true. Could the pyramids, Stonehenge, or the Nazca lines be the result of extraterrestrial influence? This question has been the subject of many debates, speculations, and even the premise of numerous science fiction stories. Throughout history, humans have created awe-inspiring structures and achieved incredible feats. Some of these accomplishments, however, seem to defy the technological capabilities of their time. These anomalies have led some to speculate that our ancestors had a little help from out-of-this-world beings. Take, for instance, the pyramids of Giza. These colossal structures were built with such precision that even with today's technology, replicating them would be a daunting task. The blocks, weighing up to 2.5 tons each, were cut with such accuracy that they fit together perfectly without the use of mortar. How could a civilization from over 4,000 years ago achieve such a marvel without advanced technology or perhaps extraterrestrial assistance? Then we have the mysterious Stonehenge, a prehistoric monument in England. The biggest of its stones, known as sarsens, weigh on average 25 tons and were transported from a quarry approximately 20 miles away. The precision with which these stones have been aligned to the sun's movements baffles modern scientists. Could this be another indication of alien intervention? Finally, let's consider the Nazca lines in Peru. These massive geoglyphs, best seen from the sky, were created between 500 BCE and 500 CE. The designs, ranging from simple lines to intricate representations of animals and plants, span hundreds of meters across the desert floor. It's a puzzle as to how and why these ancient people created such massive works of art that are best appreciated from an aerial view. Is it possible that they were signaling or communicating with beings from another world? These monumental structures certainly make us wonder about the capabilities of our ancient ancestors. Were they simply resourceful and innovative beyond our understanding, or were they guided by extraterrestrial hands? As we continue to explore these mysteries, the line between history and science fiction becomes intriguingly blurred. Imagine the course of world wars or politics being influenced by beings from outer space. As outlandish as it may sound, there have been numerous theories and accounts that suggest extraterrestrial influence during significant wars and political movements. The idea of beings from other planets intervening in our earthly affairs is not new, but it has gained more attention with the rise of modern ufology and the proliferation of information on the internet. Let's take a journey back to the 20th century. During the height of World War II, fighter pilots reported seeing strange, glowing orbs that flew alongside their aircraft. These mysterious objects, dubbed Foo Fighters, were never officially explained, leading some to speculate about extraterrestrial involvement. Another instance is the 1971 Indo-Pakistani War. According to some reports, a luminous object was spotted hovering over the war zone. It was there for some time before it disappeared, leaving the soldiers and onlookers baffled. Was it a secret weapon, a weather balloon, or something more otherworldly? Fast forward to the political unrest of the late 20th century. During the Cold War, both the United States and the Soviet Union reported multiple UFO sightings. Some conspiracy theorists argue that these were not mere coincidences but a clear sign of alien observation or even interference. Moving into the 21st century, the belief in extraterrestrial influence has not waned. It has rather become a part of pop culture, with countless movies, TV shows, and books exploring the idea of aliens meddling in human affairs. The accounts are many, and the theories are wild. Some suggest that these extraterrestrial beings are guiding us towards a more peaceful existence, while others fear they may be here to incite chaos or even war. But until we have concrete evidence, all we can do is speculate. The idea of interstellar intervention in our conflicts is indeed a thought-provoking one. Whether these accounts are mere coincidences, misinterpretations, or a sign of something more profound, they certainly add an intriguing layer to our understanding of wars and politics. But not everyone is convinced about these alien influences. There's a multitude of skeptics who challenge these theories, and they've got some compelling arguments. These skeptics aren't just naysayers, they are scientists, researchers, and critical thinkers who demand more than just speculative tales. They demand concrete evidence, something that these theories often lack. One of the key arguments skeptics put forward is the absence of physical evidence. We've heard stories of ancient monuments and cryptic drawings said to be products of extraterrestrial guidance, but where are the artifacts? Where are the alien tools or technology that would have been used? The skeptic's eye sees these historical marvels as testaments to human ingenuity, rather than alien intervention. Then there's the argument of Occam's razor, a principle that suggests the simplest explanation is often the correct one. When we gaze upon the pyramids or the Nazca lines, is it simpler to believe in an advanced alien civilization guiding our ancestors, or to accept that our ancestors were capable of remarkable feats? Let's not forget the scientific perspective. The vastness of the universe makes it statistically likely that there could be life elsewhere. But the same vastness also makes it incredibly difficult for any two civilizations to meet. The distances are astronomical, the time scales immense. Any civilization capable of overcoming these hurdles would surely leave more than cryptic clues in our history. Skeptics also point out the lack of consistency in the claims. If these extraterrestrial beings were so involved in our past, why have their interventions seemingly ceased? Why do they not step in now, in our era of global crises? The skeptic's mind sees these inconsistencies as further evidence that these theories may be more fiction than fact. Finally, skeptics argue that these theories often serve as a distraction. They divert our attention from the true marvels of our ancestors and the challenges of our present. They can even foster a sense of helplessness, a belief that we are not masters of our own fate. While these theories are fascinating, they remain theories until proven. What would happen if we accepted that extraterrestrials have influenced world events? Imagine the ripple effect on our understanding of history, society, and ourselves. Acceptance of extraterrestrial influence on significant world events could fundamentally change our perspective. We would be acknowledging that we are not alone in this vast universe, but are part of a larger cosmic community. Let's start with history. Our understanding of past events would be turned on its head. From the formation of ancient civilizations to the outcomes of major wars, we would need to reassess these in the light of extraterrestrial influence. It would be monumental, like piecing together a cosmic jigsaw puzzle, reevaluating our past with a lens that spans galaxies. Now envision the societal impact. The knowledge that we've been visited, perhaps even guided by beings from other planets, could unite us in ways we've never experienced. It could dissolve barriers of nationality, race, and religion, leading to a more inclusive global society. However, it could also lead to new divisions, between those who accept the alien influence and those who reject it. The societal implications are as vast as the universe itself. Then there's the impact on our understanding of self. If we accept that extraterrestrials have played a part in our history, it forces us to reevaluate our place in the universe. We're no longer the sole proprietors of intelligence, no longer the only ones looking up at the stars and wondering. It could be a humbling experience, but also an empowering one. The knowledge that we're part of a larger interstellar community could inspire us to reach new heights, to explore and understand more than ever before. In the end, accepting the influence of extraterrestrials on world events could lead to a paradigm shift in our understanding of the universe and our place in it. It's not a simple yes or no question. It's a doorway into a new world of possibilities. A world where the stars are not just distant points of light but potential homes of our cosmic neighbors. Whether you believe in extraterrestrial influence or not, the discussion opens up a universe of possibilities.